This is one of the flat packs I Dad assembled last night for the kitchen, an IKEA flat pack kitchen. And this is the other cupboard I helped Dad assemble this morning. It's a big long pantry and it's another IKEA flat pack. There's Betsy at the door. Betsy! Betsy! Hello Betsy! And then that's the flat pack that Dad assembled on his own during the week. And it goes into the corner. And this big long one here goes into there. And then the kitchen is coming along together nicely. Hopefully it will be fully functional soon. Mowing action to happen shortly.